Hey everyone, I'm Trevor, and today we're at the Candy Cane Inn, our favorite hotel close to Disneyland. We're gonna take you on a full tour and give you a review of the hotel, so let's get going. Candy Cane Inn recently underwent a massive 2-year renovation, and they're finally open to the public again, and we're so excited to stay here. We come inside here, and we have the check-in desk right here. And over off to the left, they have some snacks and small gifts that you can purchase. And also right over here is some free complimentary pineapple strawberry water. So that's really cool. And this is a look at their breakfast area. Of course, breakfast is closed right now, but we will be back tomorrow morning to show you the amazing spread. One of my favorite things about the Candy Cane Inn is the quaint feel and look of the place. It's cute, it's gorgeous. It's also really close to Disneyland. That is the back of Radiator Springs Monument Valley. And so we're really close to Radiator Springs Racers. Right here is an entrance to the pool. Over here would be outdoor seating for breakfast in the morning. And then they have this nice pool. They also have a hot tub right over there. You see several people availing themselves of the hot tub, but this is very nice, beautiful looking. Parking here at the Candy Cane Inn is free. It's one of the limited hotels in the area that actually provides free parking. And we were parked here. We arrived at 7:30 this morning. Weren't checking in until a little bit later on in the day, but we were able to park our car even then. And we'll be able to keep it there tomorrow as well. So we really love coming here to Candy Cane Inn. They do have some ice and vending machines, but all the vending machines and the ice machines say that they're not currently in order. It looks like they're still getting some things ready here at the hotel after its renovation. Now we're gonna come up the stairs here. Here we are. Let's go on in. Now this is a deluxe room here at the Candy Cane Inn. Deluxe is like an extra $10 to $20, and it's supposed to be a little larger, gives you a little extra space. When we first come in here, we are greeted with this beautifully renovated bathroom. The entire hotel has been renovated. Oh, another perk of the Deluxe is that it comes with a microwave. That's not usually in the standard room. We have a fridge down here. Really hard to get my finger up in it. And there we go. Pretty decent sized fridge, actually. No free goodies or water or anything like that. We do have a coffee machine up here with a couple packs of dark roast. This is beautiful, gorgeous, especially with the mirror there. I love this. This is beautiful. Little display over there. Oh, a nice comb. They do have a hair dryer down here, it looks like, as well. We're coming into the bathroom. Wow, big, huge flower. Look at the flooring. The shower here. Very nice. Oh, and it's got a tub. That's always important for us because our youngest doesn't like showers. So we always want to make sure we have a tub. Here's another angle of the room here. We have 2 queen beds is what we purchased. I believe they also have a king. And they might have doubles available. You have to check their website to see exactly what they have for you. Over here, we've got a little desk plus a phone. Very small, slimline type phone. Ice bucket. Spacious drawers here. All right, let's open up the closet here. Wow, pretty nice closet. Up here we have, it looks like this might be an extra pillow and an extra blanket right here. We have an iron and an ironing board, some luggage racks, and a personal safe as well for your belongings. So this is pretty great. Oh, check this out. How cute is this? They have a ruggable rug here on the floor. If you don't know what ruggable is, check it out, Google it. We have one of these in our kitchen. Not that exact pattern. Ours goes the other direction, but I love ruggables. They're great. You can just rip this off you can rip it off here, and then you take this part and you just throw it in the wash, and then when it's out, it goes right back on this like this Velcro anti-skid mat that you can put down. Absolutely love that. That's perfect. This is just a great room. So new, clean, and fresh. Absolutely beautiful. I love what Candy Cane has done here. Right now we are walking into Disneyland from the Candy Cane Inn. It's 7:36. We're gonna let you know just how long the walk takes. We have made it up past the Disneyland entrance sign, headed towards security right now, and it is 7:43, so it took us 7 minutes to walk from the Candy Cane Inn. If you'd like to take the Candy Cane Inn shuttle from Disneyland back to the hotel, the shuttle leaves the hotel every top of the hour. It arrived here at about 2:10 p.m., which is the time it is right now. So we're gonna hop on the shuttle, take it back to the hotel. It has a very fun trolley appearance to it, even on the inside. How cool is this? And you don't need to fold up the stroller because there's enough space. This is great. All right, so here we have breakfast in the morning. Got a nice big bowl of fruit here for you. Some cereal choices over here. But this is the real smorgasbord. Ham and cheese croissants, donuts, muffins, bagels. Looks like we've even got like toast and things like that over here. Eggs, cheese. Over here they have juice, cranberry juice, apple juice, passion, orange, guava, orange juice. Got some hot chocolate and some coffee. What I don't see is water. Yum, yum. So here's the kids with their donuts and cheese and muffins. Is that good? All right, so room thoughts. It's the next morning now, and we're just checking out, so wanted to give my final thoughts on Candy Cane Inn. As I said at the beginning, we love this hotel. The breakfast that you saw is free breakfast, free parking, and it's affordable. Even for the price that we're going, which is a Saturday night in January, January 28th to be specific, the price was like $229-ish. I don't remember exactly, but $229 for the deluxe room. And a lot of the other hotels in the area are $300. So free parking, free breakfast, and $229. Wow, this hotel is great. Anyway, as far as the actual room itself, the pillows are very comfortable. They're down pillows. I did bring my own pillow because I never really know, but the pillows here at the hotel were great. The bed was comfortable. The thermostat, everything's brand new, so the thermostat was really great. We kept the room to the temperature that we wanted it to be. The showers were amazing. The pressure was good. Again, just a minor complaint there. They gave us 2 body washes and no shampoo. I think that obviously probably just an accident, but that's something that we noticed during our stay here. Anyway, amazing hotel, 6-minute walk, all those free amenities. Even if you don't want to walk, they have a hotel shuttle that runs at the top of every hour. Absolutely fantastic place to stay in the Disneyland area for a hotel that's very close to Disneyland. Come to the Candy Cane Inn. You won't regret it. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy to answer any question that you might have about my stay here. And then hit the like and subscribe button for more Disneyland content, Disneyland videos, and other hotel reviews in the area. We try to visit a new hotel every time we come to Disneyland so that we can give you guys a well-rounded experience of places to stay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.